Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to continue our reading part of lesson 2, My Early Home, written by Anna Sewell. In our previous class, we have completed, all of you open page number 14. We have completed till first paragraph in page number 14. And in today's class, we are going to read from paragraph 2. While I was young, WHILE, while I was young, YOUNG, I drank my mother's milk. DRANK, drank my mother's, MOTHER's, mother's milk, MILK, milk. Yes, I could not eat grass. COULD, could not eat grass. GRASS, grass. In the daytime, DAYTIME, in the daytime. While in the daytime, I ran, RAN, ran by her side, SIDE, side. And at night, 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 I lay, LAY, lay down, 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 close by her, CLOSE, close by her. When it was hot, 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 we used to stand, STAND, stand by the pond, 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 in the shade, SHADE, shade of the trees, TREES, trees. And when it was cold, 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 we have a nice, 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 warm, 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 shed, 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 near the plantation, PLANTATION, near the plantation. As soon as SOON, soon as I was old enough, 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 to eat grass, 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 my mother, 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 used to go out to work in the daytime, 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 and come back, COME, come, BACK, back, in the evening, EVENING, evening. There were, WERE, there were six, SIS, six, young, 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 calls, COLTS, calls, in the meadow, 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 besides me, BESIDES, besides me. They were, WERE, they were older, OLDER, older than I was. Some were nearly, 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 as large, 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 as grown-up horses, GROW, and grown-up horses, HORSES, horses. I used to run, RUN, run with them, and had great fun, GREAT, great fun, FUN, fun. We used to gallop, 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 together, 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 round and round the field, ROUND, round, and round, ROUND, round the field, 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 as hard we could. Sometimes, SOMETIMES, sometimes we had rather, 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 rough play, ROUGH, rough, PLAY, play, for they would, 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 frequently, 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 bite, 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 and kick, KICK, kick. One day, when there was a good good deal deal of kicking kicking, my mother winned whinnied to me to come to her, and then she said, I wish you to pay attention attention to what I am going to say to you. The Coles, Coles, who live here are good Coles, good, Coles, but they are cart horse Coles, cart, horse, Coles, Coles, and of course they have not learned learn manners, manners. You have been well bred, bred, and well born, born. Your father, your father has a great name in these parts, and your grandfather, and your grandfather won the cup 2 years back of the new market races. New new market races, races. Your grandmother, your grandmother had the sweetest, sweetest temper, temper of any horse I ever knew. And I think you have never seen me kick, kick, or bite, bite. I hope you will grow, grow up, up, gentle, gentle and good, and never learn bad ways, ways. Do your work with a good will, good, will. Lift your feet up well, feet up well, when you trot, trot, and never bite or kick even in play, play. We will continue the remaining part in our next class. Thank you.